everyone! Today, I'll show you 2 ways to remove backgrounds from images using Canva, including a free method. Let's take this picture as an example. First, add it to your Canva page. Method 1. Canva Pro Background Remover. If you have a Canva Pro subscription, select the image and click BG Remover. Canva will automatically remove the background, leaving a transparent image. Method 2. Free Background Cleaner app. For the free method, select the image and go to the Apps tab. Search for Background Cleaner. This app offers 10 free daily credits. Click Erase Background to use 1 credit. Wait a moment, and the background will be removed from your image. Once done, your picture will have a transparent background ready for use. And that's it. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.